All right, 3, 2, 1. Hey, how's it going? Back with another MOVO unboxing, and no, I'm not on the MOVO payroll. Well, I should be. Here I have the LED underwater video light. Like I said with my last GB80 review, U80, the rig, that I was gonna get some better lights for it. Well, I ordered these off of Amazon. They were a pretty good deal. There's even a coupon when I ordered it. Let's see what we got here. So you can see, comes with the light. Plastic housing. It's got mounts on the front, mounts below. Comes with a charging cable. It's the same as all the MOVO equipment. It's got the micro USB. It's also same as the Akaso camera. I use the EK7000. I'm really happy with it. I'll put a link in the description. There's quite a bit of reviews on YouTube. Comes with a GoPro mount that just clicks in there, and it comes with another mount. Looks like it mates with the screw holes there. You got to provide your own screws, and it comes with this kind of a mount. So I bought two of them, and here you got the. I mounted it on the rig. Zoom out so you can take a look here. So I mounted it on the rig. GoPro goes in the middle. And to charge it, it's got a waterproof housing. Just open up the gasket. You can see there's the micro USB port. It's got a silicone gasket. I'll probably put some silicone lube on there. This one's already charged up. It's pretty bright. It's got an on-off button there. It has a couple different settings. There's on, bright, or low. And it's got a flash. But yeah, it's pretty easy to mount on this thing. Just grab this little thing. Just slides in there. And then it's held on pretty secure, and then you just tighten down this little thumb screw. There you go. And then this just slides on. And it clicks into place. There, now I got two lights. Oops, sorry about that. There it is. You can adjust it. Tightens down. So yeah. Put my little camera in the middle. I'm using it to record this, but yeah, pretty happy with it. Hopefully this ups my game. And I put a little lanyard on there that it came with. Yeah. That's the MOVO LED WP underwater video light. It actually comes with a couple of filters. I'm not sure what filters do, but I'm going to research. If you know of a good guy to teach me how to use these things on YouTube, it's like a sort of an orange filter. Clear filter diffuser. And then I also grabbed the other one out already. Comes with the magenta filter, which I guess is better for green water, like the water we dive with here. So anyway, pretty happy with this. I'll let you know how waterproof it is. You'll see we're going scuba diving here in about 3 days, another night dive on Pickerel Lake with a group. Like I said, really enjoyed the night dive, and I like taking pictures down there. Great to show friends and family, so I'll let you know how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching.